The more that people know what to expect, the more anxiety goes down. Yeah, that fear of having people come in, the worry about the noise or smells, all of those things. People, if they just know what to expect and they have a sense of like, when is it going to happen, and a reasonable expectation of like, how long do I have to put up with it? And I always tell people things are going to take longer than they actually are, because then I get some grace at the end if it does take longer. And of course, if I turn out to be right and snowstorm comes and it takes longer, well, then nobody's upset with me. So that communication piece and getting buy-in. And if condo boards can have like a meet the contracting company night where they get like the tenants or owners and their caretakers too, because if you say somebody who's caring for an elder and maybe they come by 3 times a week, they want to know about that too, because they want to know like who's coming into the house and what kind of noises, and will my father think it's a blizzard. So not only providing that information and faces to go with it, but remembering that a lot of the folks with either mental health problems or disabilities, they're going to need a lot of reminders. So you send out an email blast and say, the parking lot will be unusable for the next week. But if you can also remember, like, okay, some of our elders won't use email, some of our folks don't read very well or can't see, we're going to have to find alternate ways to communicate to that information to them, and probably communicate it a lot, like a week out, 2 days out, and then like right as it's happening. And then people are much calmer just when they know what to expect.